All right. So now welcome to my tutorial. So for this tutorial, we're going to build Slack. So we can just open this here. Then I go show now very long series. But now waiting we won't build with this. We won't build something like this. Something like this Slack. This one are ng gigs here. Where you feel send message to somebody. If you search for something for here, for message, if you invite new user. So now all these things Slack they do, and all these things that they call this one like workspace. So now something like this we're going to do. If you know look exactly like this, but based on functionality. Now waiting we go try to do with this, and I will do this live. If you do online, you will watch say they do them, and you get right to also talk. Just to, if you get any question, just talk. So yeah, make a first just show now waiting we're going to use first the text editor they use now Visual Studio Code, and we could go here. We will need Node. So this one I Node. I don't already get them installed. If you don't get them installed, if you download this one, this must they run if you they use Mac or if they use Windows. Me a Mac, I make and they show say na Mac with this. So if you have been Windows, you they use now Windows you can see for here. So we're gonna need this, and we're gonna need Nest.js. Nest.js, we need this framework. Now this framework is built on Express.js. Express.js, if you don't know Express.js now framework where they use take the right backend applications. So now Express.js with this. So this Nest.js now we use, we get a lot of abstraction. So we use until to build the back end, and then we'll also use Angular and React. We'll use React.js to do the front end. So something will, for example, waiting this one now, just like this, go use and take build the front end. So now on a React, then we'll also need Socket.io. So now Socket.io na framework on where they build on WebSocket. We could see waiting the WebSocket. WebSocket na we could go Mozilla. See so now WebSocket API is an advanced technology that makes it possible to open a two-way interactive communication section between users, browser, and a server. So now this one now it will make us fit they send real-time message. So if I just go back to that Slack, say I just like type message here, say hi, then that real time. So now WebSocket, so now advanced technology, so now very good one if you get the skill. So we'll also use this one for the video, and then I'm going to do most of my interaction with the terminal and Git from command line. So I use item I use item 2. So I don't already get them installed. So if you get something, if you use Windows, maybe not Git bash. So and Mac, if you use this one, or if you use the default one, will come with them. So make I open the item 2, and then so you look. Make I clear this place. Clear this place, and then clear this place. In short, may I clear, so now I just so the interface be so with the right command line for here, and with the user to interact with Git. So now for this video, waiting I just want to achieve before I end now. We go use Git for the version control. So GitHub, we'll go GitHub. We'll use Git for the version control. So if you don't get the account, if you create account, so we'll create account. So then I'll put teams at nggigs.io, then password. So I don't create account now. So this one are the account we'll go use. So now, if you don't know GitHub before, if you don't know anything about Git, for this one, you fit. Now, so we will take now, so you will take create your own account. So we need to go verify. Then I need to CCRB this. I need to do this one. Then account. So join for free plan. So Git done day. We'll just choose this one. Software engineer. Just a we'll just complete the setup. So now we need to go to the email address to accept. So make I go Teams, go accept the email confirmation. I did one for here. Okay, still never come. So we can do. All right, so we don't see this one here. So we could go create. We'll go repository and we could create new one. So okay, we no fit do this one until we verify the address. So which means I'm gonna need to pause this video and wait to make that email come back. Then I will continue for the next video. All right. If you get any question, if you just send message to the Slack channel. All right. Later.